Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch, Wednesday, March 19, 2025. So I got to get this video out now because they will be deleting this information. Once again, we have a massive heat detections for the Carolinas. This is a repeat occurrence. I'll explain in a bit, but first of all, I'll show you some of the points. Same area. So we have a large spread, including in the waters. Not the first time. So in UTC time, so your local time, that was around 1 p.m. And once again, I'll show you on Google Earth. I picked up some of these coordinates just to show you. The radiative temperature in Kelvin is fairly high. So to get the Celsius temperature, we minus 272 degrees, so hang on a minute, 353, 272, 1, 8. So some of these temperatures are 81 degrees Celsius. There's one location. Here's another one. Again, they will be getting rid of this information, so I like to get it down. Now, within the last couple of days, or earlier on this week, the Alligator something wildlife reserve in this area here is a repeated occurrence, and they've already, so I'm going to go a total of 7 days, and they've deleted it already. Let's continue. That one. This one, including in the waters. So let's jump over to Google Earth and I'll show you these 3 spots. So this entire area, including in Paynes Bay, in the middle of the waters, middle of the bay. Later on, I'll see if I can find a webcam. Next. Okay, well, this is the same area inside Paynes Bay. So this whole area here. Just a minute. Yeah, so Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge is a common area for these heat detections coming up, including all along the shoreline here. I can pretty much guarantee you that in a few hours they're going to be deleting this information. two more areas. Yes, I know. Yes, I know about the bushfire here in the southern tip of Florida, and no, they're not doing a burn for a 15-minute city. People got to stop that nonsense. So I know about this one. Next door in the Bahamas, Grand Bahama. This area here has been ongoing for the past week. This is a new one here, Freeport, confirmed fires, also in residential areas. Some of these Kelvin temperatures in Celsius is only like 27 degrees Celsius, so I would say not broken through the surface yet. This is the one where this time last year I showed you a video or pictures from somebody's security camera right in here of steam coming out of the waters. Steam or smoke coming out of the waters. I'll provide you with an explanation in a minute. I just want to check a few more areas. Because I believe I know what's going to be happening. All right. So this time last year and going on into April is when I observed and did report a series of heat detection events, including in the offshore waters, New York, Carolinas, the exact same areas I just finished showing you, the Bahamas, same areas, offshore California, Palos Ranchos Verde, inland waters, San Francisco Bay, and then the Puget Sound, Seattle, all at the same time. Fortunately, I caught it and documented it. They got rid of that information. Same time of the year, starting up again. Why? Do I think? So if you look at the acquisition time, the time that the satellites start picking up these heat detections, it's all around noon to 1 p.m. So as that part of the planet rotates into the sun-facing solar winds, muon penetration, pulling up the magma in some areas. That's my theory. Same time of the year. So as the axis of the planet begins to tilt into the summer solstice, and that brings that side of the planet more in line with the solar winds. So if true, let's see if we see the same thing, the same pattern repeating itself into Southern California, inland waters of San Francisco, and so on. Let's see if it's a repeat pattern. But for now, Carolinas. If you're going to start spouting off your mouth, oh, it's due, I know it's due, show me. I've seen this pattern repeat itself several times. I also have a video showing smoke or steam coming from one of these areas of the Carolinas. This is also on Edgar Casey's readings list.